Well, is the U.S. dollar's global dominance under threat? Well, amid rising geopolitical tensions, growing U.S. deficits, and erratic policy moves, some say greenback's grip on global finance is slipping. But despite calls for de-dollarization, no rival currency appears ready to take its place. In this next report, we break down the pressures facing the dollar and why, for now, it remains the world's go-to currency. Take a look.
The US dollar's dominance in global finance is under fresh scrutiny. Trade wars, political instability, and rising debt have led to calls for de-dollarization. The greenback currently accounts for nearly 60% of global foreign exchange reserves. Now, this is far ahead of the euro at around 20% and the Chinese yuan at just 3%. But recent US policies like Trump's Liberation Day tariffs and efforts to influence the Federal Reserve have eroded investor confidence. Still, the dollar remains the world's preferred currency for payments and reserves. Despite calls to replace the dollar, no currency is ready to step up. Europe faces political fragmentation and low growth. Japan struggles with stagnation. And China continues to restrict capital flows and central bank independence. SWIFT data shows the yuan makes up only about 2.3% of international payments. The depth and liquidity of US financial markets remain unmatched. Investors seeking diversification face a hard limit. Other economies simply lack the scale and stability required to absorb such large capital inflows. US Treasuries and the dollar have seen recent sell-offs, signaling what some call a buyer's strike amid rising deficits and inflation. Foreign holdings of treasuries are shrinking and doubts are growing over America's fiscal direction. But experts caution this may be a short-term reaction rather than a structural shift. While the dollar's position looks more fragile than ever, its dominance persists, less because of American strength and more due to the institutional weaknesses of its rivals. Business Bureau, WION World is One.